2017, what a year. I can't believe it's come and gone so fast. I'm so excited for 2018, but I'm so grateful for everything that 2017 brought. We traveled all over the United States and got to experience some really awesome things. We ate a lot of food, and I mean a lot of food, like the diet starts tomorrow. We did over 70 events. That's a lot of parties, y'all. I made tons of new things, I tried lots of new things, and I stretched myself in ways that I didn't know were possible. I got to see my family experience huge milestones, and I got to be with the people I love all year long. I learned so much about life and just about myself. I'm so glad that I listened to my grandma and my mom and dad, just as they always taught me, shoot for the stars and follow your dreams. You never know until you try, so that's kind of the motto that I live by. Hey, that rhymes. Whatever you are shooting for in this life, don't give up, because anything is possible to anyone who believes, right? You just don't know until you try. And I'm so glad that this year was full of a lot of tries. It sure was full of a lot of fails too, but you can't succeed until you fail. So 2017, thanks for being an awesome year, and I can't wait to see what 2018 brings. Happy New Year, you guys. Thanks for being here and following along, because I couldn't have done it without any of you either. See you next year. Oh wait, that's now.